Hey guys, this is George from Ergonomic Trends. In this video, I'll review the Dragonn Kneeling Chair, one of our picks for the best kneeling chairs this year. I'll show you what's to love about this chair and what we thought could be improved upon. The chair is one of a few that feature locking caster wheels to prevent unwanted movements, plus a robust seat height that can be adjusted between 21 to 28 inches. So to me, what stands out the most about the Dragonn Kneeling Chair is the wide range of seat height adjustments. At the lowest setting of 21 inches, the chair works with a standard desk that is 29 inches without requiring a laptop stand to elevate your computer. Many kneeling chairs either are fixed in height or are too tall at their lowest setting to operate your computer without the need for a laptop stand or desk elevator. Here's a view of the kneeling chair from behind at its lowest setting. The desk in this video is 29 inches tall, the standard height for office desks. At this setting, typing on the computer is relatively comfortable, though my elbow angle is a little wider than the recommended 90 to 110 degrees. Elevating the laptop just slightly would fix this. Here you can see the Dragonn Kneeling Chair at its tallest setting, which raises the seat 29 inches off the ground. This is really cool in that you can basically use a chair with a standing desk at this height, letting you take a break from standing from time to time. Here again is a view from the behind. Notice how easy it is to maintain not just a straight back, but the natural curvature of your spine on a kneeling chair. The weight of your body is divided between your buttocks and knees, allowing you to more easily sit up straight. A lot of you may be wondering how the height adjustment is made, so here's a demonstration. Rotate a knob clockwise to raise the seat. It does take many turns to go between the lowest and tallest setting, as you can see, so it's not something you can do in a split second, unfortunately. Notice how the angle of the seat increases as well as you increase the height, while the kneeling cushion stays the same. From an ergonomic standpoint, a declining seat angle that is at least 20 degrees or higher is optimal, which the Dragonn Kneeling Chair accomplishes at all but the lowest setting. The unique design of a kneeling chair redistributes the weight of your body, so a lot of it is borne by your more bony knees. As such, comfortable and durable seat cushions are a must on any good kneeling chair. With that said, I was very impressed by the cushion quality on the Dragonn Kneeling Chair. Both cushions are around 4 inches thick and are very comfortable, even more so than on the sleek foam kneeling chair that we reviewed last year. The upholstery seems to be faux leather and feels a lot more resistant to peeling compared to many bonded leather kneeling chairs out there. I weigh around 60 to 80 kilograms and notice how little depression there is when I sit down. Finally, the Dragonn Kneeling Chair comes with 4 casters to allow you to easily move it around. 2 of the wheels are lockable, which do their job fairly well in keeping the chair put when you're working. The downside, however, are the quality of the casters in general. They're the cheap plastic type that simply go in different directions whenever you try to roll them. In other words, they're not very useful to begin with. The Dragonn Kneeling Chair, despite some drawbacks, gets a solid backing from me. The robust height range makes the chair usable even without a desk riser, and the seat cushions are among the best I've tried on a kneeling chair. If you're looking to get a kneeling chair to promote good posture and take a load off your back periodically, you'll most likely be happy with this one.